Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Right Short Fashion. Dear friends and subscribers, how are you? I hope you are well and fine. Today I have many pairs for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. Today I will talk about most stylish and most demanding women collection, crochet embroidery, parrot ideas. This is very beautiful, stylish and elegant designs of parrot ideas. I have already ideas, videos. I must just show you this video. Gorgeous, stylish and elegant designs of parrots. Please friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will get all notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel, my short fashion. If you like this video, to click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and social media accounts. So do not need to tell me in the comment section to help me how was my videos about cross stitch, embroidery, parrot ideas. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with different collection, design, style and color combination for you friends. Please again subscribe my YouTube channel and wait for my new video. I always try to bring useful ideas according to your choice. Bundle of thanks. Take care, friend. Allah Hafiz.